Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rutabagas Southern style. First, choose firm, heavy rutabagas with smooth skin. Then, wash them thoroughly under cool running water, removing any dirt or grit. Carefully peel away the thick, waxy outer layer using a sharp peeler or knife, ensuring all the skin is gone. Finally, cut your prepared rutabagas into uniform 1-inch cubes, which helps them cook evenly and become perfectly tender. Next, place your 1-inch rutabaga cubes into a large pot and cover them completely with fresh water. This is when we introduce that quintessential Southern flavor. Add a 4-ounce chunk of cured pork, perhaps some fatback or a small ham hock, right into the pot. Bring everything to a rolling boil over high heat, then let it cook for about 20 minutes before reducing the temperature. After the initial boil, reduce the heat significantly, bringing the pot down to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let the rutabagas cook slowly for at least 1 hour, perhaps even 1 hour and 15 minutes. This long, low-heat cooking time is crucial. It allows the rutabagas to become incredibly tender and fully absorb the savory, smoky flavors from the pork. You'll know they are ready when they easily mash with a fork. Once tender, drain the rutabagas, making sure to reserve about a half cup of that flavorful cooking liquid. Remove the pork, then return the rutabagas to the pot and mash them thoroughly with a potato masher or a large fork. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a 1/4 cup of your reserved cooking liquid, then mix well. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, and serve these delicious Southern rutabagas warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.